And it's been a wild ride up here. So we are having situations where we're getting small bursts of rain, but very heavy rain, but they're very quick. So it's not lasting very long, and then the winds continue to be picking up in the area. Right now we're driving on 411, and as we go around the loop in Rome, we're definitely seeing a lot. So I wanted to show you this shot really quickly from the top of our camera. You can see a lot of the trees in this area were where we saw some of the damage. In fact, we're coming around this corner. We went over here earlier, and what we did see is a lot of the side roads. They had small trees that were broken and just flying everywhere. Not major damage, but definitely enough to cause debris and some cleanup. There were also power lines that were out and some traffic lights that were out. So the damage from the wind is definitely showing itself in this area. But we're going to continue to drive around and kind of follow the storm as it's making its way south and bring you more updates on some of this damage.